She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. So you guys, today's recipe, I was in the mood for a pasta salad. I usually can make a pretty delicious pasta salad with many beautiful ingredients, but in this case, I only had a couple on hand and I still wanted to eat some pasta salad, so I said, why not? Let's make it work. So today I'm going to whip up a quick and easy pasta salad just using the ingredients that I had on hand. If you want, you can substitute for any others that you might have on hand, but just want to let you know that it does not take much to enjoy a wonderful pasta salad. So if the idea of this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below. Let me know how you enjoyed the recipe. Please share this video out. I always appreciate the love. Thank you so much. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so that's it. A pretty super simple and easy pasta salad recipe for you with very few ingredients, but still just as tasty. I also want to go ahead and give a shout out to Annabelle TV for this lovely serving bowl that the pasta is in. I truly adore it. I also have 4 other bowls as well to go with this big one. It's gorgeous, guys. Thank you so much, Annabelle TV. Appreciate that. So if you guys did enjoy this video today and this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me a comment down below and share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of each time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.